Alright guys, these are the directions for Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty simple. You see here on the today's work, remember guys, I'm gone Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Wednesday what we're doing, it's pretty simple. We're just going to watch an ed puzzle, but it's going to be, there's no questions embedded in the ed puzzle this time. Right here is going to be the movie guide that goes with it. It's like 40 questions, so just fill in the answers on a separate Google Doc. So don't write on this. Just use this to help answer the question. So you'll just have number one, then the answer. Number two, then the answer. So pretty simple. You'll click on the ed puzzle here. It's a 2-day assignment because it's a really long video. So it'll bring you here to Engineering and Empire, Egypt. You'll click play, as you can see, and then the video questions go right along with it. It's an hour and a half long. It covers all of our major notes. It covers all the engineering, all the architecture, so all the pyramids and stuff like that will be in here. It's a super cool video. But that's for Wednesday and Thursday. So, break it up. Watch 45 minutes, then watch 45 minutes, or so on and so forth. So that'll be due Friday at 8. Also due Friday at 8 is your Egypt vocab. So get that done. Turn that in on Friday. And then obviously on Friday we'll have our meeting at the designated time slot. I'll go through the assignment and the directions for Friday when we talk on Friday. But that's it. If you have any questions, email me. Again, I'll be out of school for Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So if I don't get back to you right away, I apologize, but I am off the clock, so I will be checking my phone though to make sure things are going good. But if I don't get back to you within the 5 minutes, don't be surprised. But that's all I got, guys. Have a good rest of the week. I'll see you guys on Monday for the first time in face-to-face. Otherwise, I'll see you on Friday with our meeting. All right, later, everybody.